Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nathan Tombra. If you are seeing me for the very first time, make sure you like, share, comment, then subscribe. Welcome to the weekend in my life, or a day in my life. I don't know yet, but today is actually Saturday and I'm going for my business meeting in Yenagoa, so come with me. I don't know, the weather is very dull today, but let's just see how it goes. How is your own business? Be hiding. So I'm eating noodles. See, I don't know, in a day, if you have not eaten noodles, rice, bread and tea, I doubt if you are schooling in Niger Delta University. In fact, I doubt if you are a student in Nigeria, because that's our food. Apart from rice, rice bag, noodles, bread and tea, there's no other food. And I'm just happy I'm going to Yenagoa today, so at least I can have a different thing. Like, my taste board have been craving for something different all this while, but there's nothing in Amasoma. Like, Amasoma is just a lonely student environment. There's no activities going on here, so I'm already late. I'm supposed to leave this house by 10, but it's already 20 minutes to 10, so let me just eat and go. Yeah, so my phone, remember my phone is bad, so, and I don't want to repair it. I don't like repairing phones, so I'm still saving for a new phone. And I've paid my fees, I've gotten a new hostel space, so I'm thinking of getting a tripod. I don't know. Should I get a tripod, Moniz? What did you say?
Yes, stage. Musician stage.
I should buy a stage. See, don't worry. You know why Moniz is talking like this? Because I have a ring light and I left it in Lagos. Like, I don't even know why. When I was coming to school recently, I was like, I don't want to carry load. Imagine, ring lights, load. Now I'm in need of it, so I don't know yet. So I'm very late. I'm supposed to leave the house by 10 o'clock because I'll have to wait for the bus to get filled up to go to Yenagoa. Yeah, I don't know. I remember unboxing this jewelry. I don't know if you can see it well. This jewelry, I got it for free from my beauty brand, and I'm also going to Yenagoa to pick up some items I got for free. Don't worry, I will definitely unbox them for you to know. Then if you want to know more about my beauty brand, just let me know. And what's going on? Moniz, please, can you help me do this?
500.
Your one is money. Come and help me do it. I'm late. Your joy chest.
Which are equal.
Just do it for me, please. Why are you hiding your body that everybody have seen? Yeah, do. I'm late. Yep, and of course sunscreen. I'm late, like super late. The event is starting by 12. I pray I'll be able to get there before 12 to at least settle in before the event starts.
I'm not sold this week. How many of you feel uncomfortable when you're not sold today?
My baby came to pick me up. Chef Moniz. We are sweating. Chef.
So how is it?
Wait, let me prepare my system. Okay. I've teach you very well. It's nice, very nice. I'm serious.
I'm okay.
Very tired yesterday. I came back very late. So, guess what? I got myself a LED light. Yes, and I picked up some products I got from my company for some customer and for myself. Then I also got a free gift from my beauty brand. Yes, I make money, I go on trips, and I still get free gifts. This is company no wonderful. If you want to know more about the company, you can still DM me. Just leave in the comment section or message me on IG or Facebook. So let's just unbox. This is my first time getting a LED light. Okay, let's fake unbox it because I've actually unboxed it. So it came with a tripod stand. Yeah, came with a tripod stand, and this is how LED 600. This is how it looks like. It came with 2 batteries, a charger. What do you call it? Okay, it came with something like a desktop, like for you to charge the battery with. Yes, then it also came with wire, and this is how headlight. Yep, this is how it look like. Yep. So I'm just going to fix it and show you how bright it is. I'm broke. Every time I'll keep saying I'm broke, but I keep buying new things. But I'm broke. This is how the battery look like. Then let me just quickly fix it. This, yep, and so I'm happy I got this. I'm supposed to save up for my phone, but the money is not enough, so I have to do things that I actually want. So let's unbox this. What I got some fragrance for my customers, some feminine wash. Yes, especially for the ladies that is coming to the hostel. You are supposed to get this product because infection is not what you need to joke about. Yes, a bottle is 7,400 naira. It's soap free and it helps to balance your pH level, like balance the pH of your vagina. Yes, so you need it. For my ladies, you need it, especially those coming to the hostel. Just DM me to get one. Yeah, I got this for my customer, and our catalog, the newly launched catalog. I got 3 of them. Our fragrance card. Yeah, so if you want to try out my fragrance and you don't know which of them you want to, then you can just DM me. As long as you're in Soma, you can just test it out yeah, that's all. So yeah, I got that, and I also got possessed. Like, why you always why you always enter my video? This boy. Okay, so I got this for possess the secret for my customer, and that is what I use. That is what monies also use. See, there is no how you use this fragrance and not fall in love with it. So I got our newly launched body spray. Yes, and it's very, very nice. The truth is that what I know is very, very nice is that I made use of it when I went to church today, and trust me, you fall in love with this. So I got 2 bags from my beauty brand for free. Like, I got 2 gifts from my beauty brand. Then which should I? Okay, let me unbox this first. Bag number 1 of things I got for free from my beauty brand. I got a body lotion, our Green Essential body lotion, for free. I'm definitely going to use it. Then I got this 72 hours protection roll-on. See, there's one thing I can say is that you can never see me or see my clothes, my armpit side wet. Like, you can never. That's like, I'm very, very sure about it. You can never. So if you always sweat a lot, if you sweat a lot, you need to get this 72 hours roll-on. Yeah, I got it for free. I also have the one I'm using, so I don't know if I might give it out at a discount price if you need it, and if you're in Amasoma, so just DM me, or maybe if you want a fresher and you want to get it, just DM me. Our clay marks, yes, this is what I'll be using to exfoliate my skin. Yep, you know the importance of exfoliating. Yep, this is what, and it's for all skin types, so definitely I'll be using it. Then I also got this hot oil. It's for hair. Thank God I've started making my hair, so my company is just as if they know what I need, like, get. So I need to start taking care of my hair, so definitely I'm going to use this. Then that's all for the first bag I got for free from my beauty brand. Then the second bag, this bag, I actually love this bag. I've not seen what is inside yet, but I know it's actually a wallet, but I've not seen it physically. So this bag contains a 2-in-1 aftershave balm. So if you're always having bumps, get me, this is a must-have. My company just know how to take care of me. If you're a baby girl, if you want to be like me, if you want to be receiving free products, receiving free money, receiving free trips, baby girl, DM me. Then I also got this. Look at it, it's actually customized Oriflame Sweden. You cannot see this anywhere. So I'm unboxing now. It's sealed, it's still sealed, so I'm unboxing now. Oh shit. Yep. So okay, this, okay. Oh my god, the leather of this, see, shit, this is beautiful. Oh my god, the leather is so strong and it smells really nice. Like, shit, so nice. I'm definitely keeping this. I was thinking of gifting it out. Yeah, so it's very, very nice. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, or look at it, Oriflame Sweden. Yes, so this is to show you that it's customized, that you can't get this particular brand anywhere. Yes, so if you want to be receiving gifts like this, DM me, DM. I've gotten almost like I don't buy bags anymore. I don't buy accessories anymore. I don't like most of the things. I don't buy them. It's straight from Oriflame, and you know Oriflame is not a Nigerian brand. Like guy. Yeah, so that's all I got from my build. Yeah, so I picked up some clothes I dry cleaned, I got some fruits, and I slept throughout that Sunday. Like, I was so tired.